Well, we are going to do DMR J, hoping our computer likes me again. Remember that our skills that we're working on is when an equality is multiplied or divided by a negative number, the sign must be flipped. But most of these top section is done just like you did your previous, solving one-step equations with the inequality or with the inverse. So what that means is that we want to isolate this x variable. So in order to isolate that x variable, we have to move this 3 over to the other side with an inverse operation, the reverse operation, the opposite. So the opposite of the operation that's happening here, this is multiplication, is going to be dividing. And we're dividing by a positive 3. Now, this is a positive 3, so since it's positive, I don't have to flip this number. So the x stays here, the 3 gets moved to the other side, and it becomes 18 divided by 3, which is 6. So my answer is any number less than or equal to 6. So in your reflection, you need to make sure that you understand how to plot this. So we're dealing with the number 6. This would be 5. This would be 4. And we have a circle here. Now, hopefully, this little thing right under here, that little line, means equal to. Since it is equal to, you have to fill this in. And now you got to test your numbers. Does 4 less than or equal to 6? Yes. So this will be a good one. Is 5 less than or equal to 6? No. So this is not. So your line has to go this way. And again, I've told you that there's a cheating method. Cheating. It's not really cheating. But if your variable is on this side, on your left side, then the way that the inequality goes is the point of your arrow. So that's a cute little way to help remember. All right, so make sure that you have your reflection done right here and that you have this answer. You'll then go to the bottom portion. I'm going to hope that my computer likes me. And it doesn't. I'm not sure why it doesn't, but it doesn't. So we wait patiently. There we go. So now we have to do basically the graph the inequality. Okay. You're going to make that number line. You're going to put this number, and then you'll put a number in front of it on the number line and a number behind it on the number line. It does not have a line underneath it saying equal to, so our circle is going to be an open circle. Now again, my variable is on the left side, so that means my arrow will point the same way, but we can test this. So if I put a 6 in for A, is that greater than or less than 7? No, so 6 won't work. But if I put an 8 in for greater than or less than, or greater than 7, this does work. So that makes it a possible answer. So all of my answers go this way on the number line. Your reflection, if you're writing at school, we wait patiently. Your reflection can be, I know to use an open circle when not equal to. There we go. No, didn't want to do that. I want to do this. I know to use an open circle on the point number when it cannot be equal to that number. So that's your reflection. Make sure you've got that in there. If you are a student that is doing it on your Chromebook only, So push pause to get this copied. But if you are doing it on your Chromebook only, it should look like this one. X is greater than or equal to 6. Yep. And it should be an open circle. You hit submit. Make sure I did it right. I did. So those of you at home, you're doing it and taking notes. Those of you at school, you're doing it on your paper and putting it on your computer. Good job.